Hey, what's up, Terra Luna holders? Today I am going to show you Terra Luna price predication. This is very good. You can see that. Check it out. The result absolutely is going off. Is a good chance 0.05%. This is absolutely good, and you can check it out here. The highest you can check it out. The highest chance $21, absolutely good. 21.5, this is absolutely good. This is absolutely good. Okay, so this is the result of last 1 hour. We can check it out. Just check it out, the last 2 hour result. Let's get click on the 2 hour result, and I am going to show you the last 2 hour result. Please subscribe ABS Tech channel, because I am also Terra Luna holder, and this is good to be hard touching her. Okay, so you don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Okay, this is a very bad. You can check here, very bad. This is not good. This is very bad, but this is the highest ranges of good. But and the last 2 hour result, I am very sad. I am very angry. I am very angry. If you are angry, then please comment for and broke the subscribe button. Okay, just broke it out. Just broke the subscribe button, and also press the bell icon. Please press the bell icon if you are angry for this bad result. Please subscribe. Oh my god. Okay, let's get check it out, the last 4 hour result. All right, I am oh my goodness. Oh, what's this, guys? Are you crazy? What is this? This is the result. This is the change. This is very bad. Terra Luna, I hate you. I hate you. I really hate you. What is this? What is this? Is a result? But just I see this a high range result. I'm happy, but I'm very excited. But if I see that the 4 hour result, I'm very bored. I'm very angry. If you are angry, just please subscribe. Subscribe channel for latest upload. Okay, guys. I cannot continue more video. Okay, guys. Just subscribe and for next video, okay? And press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz. See you next time. See you soon. Bye bye. Tata.